Hey guys, it's Cooper Duper, and today I will be showing y'all the most annoying sound ever. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and turn on post notification bells. Bye!